Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This driver recorded a massive police chase where over 10 police vehicles chased one pickup truck. Driver failed to stop for emergency vehicle on the lights and unfortunately crashed into it.
And he ended up in the ditch. And he rolled over. Holy... Okay. Maybe that's why I had to come down here.
And this is why you should adjust your speed to the road conditions. This driver was speeding on icy road and ended up in the ditch.
Okay, are you gonna stay or are you gonna continue on your way?
I'm gonna see what's going on with them and then likely continue on.
Okay, I'll let you go. If anything changes and anybody's hurt, I've put it in that nobody's hurt because he's obviously got himself out.
Yep.
If somebody's hurt, dial back on 911 and then call for ask for ambulance and not police, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Great, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
After this driver almost got hit head-on, he decided to turn around and confront the driver.
Bro, get off the road. You should not be driving. You almost hit me back there. Are you okay? Are you okay? Dude, you would have hit me head on if I didn't swerve. I'm asking if you're okay. But you're swerving down this road too. Gotta be careful, man.
Lady in a car decided to cut off semi-truck, and since trucks cannot stop on dime, she got T-boned. Trucker switched lanes without checking his mirrors. He caused an accident and ran away.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Okay, you need to turn. Go!
Every time I listen to you, you're always just a breath of fresh air. So I just wanted to say
We
that
are not
first.
missing
I
this
love you.
turn. It's 2 lanes. It's 2 lanes. Turn. Oh, you dummy.
What you doing, you ass? What you doing? You pull out?
Do it, bro! Let's go! What the dude? What the was that?
Fuck! Oh my god. Jesus Christ, bro.
This trucker said that storm came in fast and this was his first opportunity to get off-road, which was big mistake.
Saying that this would have led to a nuclear holocaust. The tech billionaire said on Thursday that he told his engineers not to turn on Starlink satellite network over Crimea to prevent a planned attack on the Black Sea's fleet. So if you're going to do a attack in an area, the area was known as Sevastopol, is known as Sevastopol.
$1,000 in cash, up for grabs. It will only be given away if both Dak, Jack, and Skeptical Jack is a non-believer are both wowed by his...
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.